We're doing some Cynful Margarita grilled chicken tonight. We're going to start off by cutting our breasts in half lengthwise. Going to make 2 thin breasts out of 1. So we'll have 4 total. And then we're going to put it in a Ziploc bag that has margarita mix and tequila in it. Going to marinate that for anywhere from 3 hours to overnight in the refrigerator. Season with the taco seasoning. We're going to season both sides. And then we're going to rub that seasoning in. Now we're going to head outside to the grill. We're going to toss these on the grill and we're going to cook them until they are 165 degrees internal temperature. We're at 165 now and we're ready to take it inside. Once they hit 165, we can bring them in and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Top them with that awesome Cynful avocado salsa. So I do have a link to a printable PDF file in the description, but I'm going to give you the recipe anyway. It's quick and easy. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and of course, have an awesome evening.